So after improving or working on the layout of this text input, the next thing is working on the visibility of this button. So for now, we want to make this button rounded with the ascend icon just like a normal chat application. And to do that, we are going to make the changes inside this view which is present inside the stretchable opacity. So here let's improve the spacing. And after that, inside this style, we will start by changing this red color to green. And after changing the color, we will set the border radius so that we can make this view rounded. So here we will set the border radius to a large value, so border radius, and here we will specify like a large value 4 times 9. And after doing that, when you will press Ctrl S, now you can see we got a green view with the corners rounded. And after doing that, here we need to increase the width and the height of this view. And to do that, we can set the width and the height here. So firstly we are going to set the width, so width, and we are going to set it to like 60. After that we can set the height and set it to 60. And after doing that, save the file again. And now you can see we got this beautiful circle here, and inside it we got this send text. And as you can see, this text is not center aligned, so we can set justify content to center. And there you can see our text is center aligned. But now inside this application we don't want to show the send text here, but instead we want to show a send icon. So in order to display a send icon instead of send text here, we need to remove this text component, and we need to add another component with the name material icons. So be careful with the spelling, so material icons. And here we need to close this component, and after adding it here we need to specify the name of icon we want to display. So as in our case we want to display a send icon, and the name for send icon is actually send. And after specifying it here, we also need to add the import for this material icons. So at the top you need to add an import below this import, so import, and here we need to import material icons, so material icons. And after that we need to specify that from where we need to import it, and we are going to import it from expo vector icons. So here we will add the quotations, and inside it refer to expo, and then specify vector icons here. So there you can see the option. So now we are importing material icons here, and we are using them here. And after doing that, when you will press Ctrl S, you can see a little send button here. And now we need to set the size for this button. So using the size property, we will specify the size to 30. And after that you can see now the size is increased. And after that you can also choose the color. So we will set the color to white. And after specifying the color, you can see we got the white send icon here. And after doing that, we can also set the margin for this send button so that it appears to be in the middle. So using this style, we will specify the margin left. So margin left, and we will choose a margin of 10. After that, press Ctrl S. And now you can see our button is looking a lot better. So now in this lecture we have improved the visibility or the look of our text input and send button. And now inside our next lecture we are going to work on the GUI for our chat application. So inside this application we want to display the questions that we are sending to our ChatGPT model just like a normal chat application. Similarly, we also want to see the response of ChatGPT just like a normal chat application, and we are going to work on it inside our upcoming lecture. So see you in the next lectures.